It's spring cleaning time, and although I try to declutter throughout the year, I always do more in the spring. I felt paralyzed at times, but you've helped me, Angela. Yay! Rachel, I'm so excited that you joined us today. And I want to highlight this because oftentimes this is so weird, but because we have spring cleaning, a lot of people think they have to wait until spring to clean. I know. And one of the things that we've done in the professional cleaning industry, and I'm really excited about this, is we've helped professional house cleaners put families on deep cleaning 4 times a year. So that there's deep cleaning 4 times a year, which is, every 3 months. And what that does is that removes all the buildup. And instead of it taking a whole weekend to do, making it this huge project, it's littler projects that are done more frequently throughout the year. So everything stays a whole lot more clean and it's a whole lot less work and it's easier to do and it's manageable. That way nobody gets tripped up on, the spring cleaning. Because when you talk about spring cleaning, like, wow, that is a huge project. And for a lot of people, it takes 2 or 3 weekends and it becomes this overwhelming task. And they try to do the garage and all the rooms of the house and the kitchen cupboards and the closets and the linen closets and underneath the bathroom sinks. And it just becomes this overwhelming thing. Then because it's so overwhelming, it's paralyzing. And a lot of people don't get around to it. So instead of doing it just once a year, by breaking it up into smaller sections, it's more manageable. It's more manageable for the homeowner. It's more manageable for the house cleaner. And it's far more affordable on an ongoing basis because you get to spread the money of the big clean throughout the year on the 4 deep cleanings. I know. It's revolutionary, right? It's pretty cool.